Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. This is Crypto Vic with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you easily how to make money, or let's just say how you can earn free Bitcoin online. Without further ado, let's jump in the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to Quantiply.com. Make sure you're on the right website so you cannot just waste your time. I'm just going to put the link of the website down below. You guys can check it out. As you can see, this is pretty much how the website look like. Here you got Quantiply, over $12 million of Bitcoin has been paid on this platform. Just put your email here and then start pretty much earning. So we're just gonna skip that. Join the One Bitcoin reward platform trusted by over 3 million users. So right now we know there's 3 million users on this platform. Let's scroll down. Get more money for the things you love, or start saving for the future by joining Quantiply today. Our members have earned over $12 million in Bitcoin. Now it's your turn. What a nice motivation. Let's scroll down here. Turn your time into money, and this is what I like about Quantiply. So pretty much we all of us sometimes we play games for fun or just to waste time. Why don't you play games and earn money in the same time by just using Quantiply? We all spend a lot of time online. Why not make it work for you? You can earn Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, or Dash by doing the things you love a lot. Earn crypto by playing fun games online. Get rewards for watching videos. Imagining watching videos are gonna make you money. That's a pretty cool one. Shopping online, or signing up for existing services. For example, you just open a new account on some random website and that gonna make you money. Share your opinion on popular products and businesses and earn real cryptocurrency. Sign up and start earning. Okay, your opinion is worth a lot. Your opinion is in a high demand. Participate in surveys for products, services, and businesses and help shape the future of the economy. You earn coins for each and every survey you complete. Stop just sharing your opinions and start earning from them. So pretty much just sharing your opinion, giving some product a review, that eventually gonna make you money. And as you can see here, earn from $1 to $5 for every online survey you participate in. Guys, this is a pretty good opportunity. Receive credits if you are disqualified from a survey. See the impact of your response among businesses and brands around the world. Start taking online surveys here while you play games, like we just said. And this is how it works. Pretty much you create a new account and log in to get started. Play games on mobile and desktop games to earn coins. Complete tasks and earn points as well. Complete offers, complete quick offers to earn even more Bitcoin each day. Complete surveys every day to earn thousands of coins, and watch videos and earn coins as well. And here you got the frequently asked questions in case you have some questions about Quantiply. How much can I earn on a coin play and stuff like that. And here, this is the Quantiply features. You got the loyalty bonus, reward coins, fast payments, earn interests, multiply your coins, expert supports, deposit coins, and you got the wow. You can chat with over 3 million minded Quantiply users. That's a pretty cool one. And you got the referrals, which is another way to make money on Quantiply. Here you got the offers that are completed. You got the FOSEC claims, got the total users, Bitcoin earned. It's a pretty much cool website, guys. As just you start learning more about the website. And as you can see, it is partnered with some famous companies. So without further ado, let's jump into the website and see what it offers. And yeah, let's get it. Okay, we opened an account on this website, And as you can see, this is the dashboard, getting started guide, popular offers. They show you some basic stuff that you probably need, your profile and stuff like that. And here's the deal. Earn coins. You can roll the faucet, view PTC ads, play the multiplier, play games, refer users, redeem promo codes, offer walls, and other stuff that you guys can check it out by yourself when you open an account on this platform. Here you get the activity and payments, earning history, PTC history, like how many ads you clicked on, stuff like that. Here you can deposit Bitcoin in case you want to put a product on this website or something like that, or withdraw your coins in case you earn coins. So this is how it works. Basically, you're just gonna gain coins, and after you gain those coins, you're gonna redeem it into Bitcoin, and after that you can withdraw it to your wallet. This is pretty much how it works. So now I'm going to show you how you earn money. For example, we're going to click on view PTC ads. We're going to click on that. Alright, and this is pretty much the sites, right? There's a lot of sites that you can click on and earn points. Okay, so for example, right, view for 7 seconds and earn 9 coins. We're going to view this website. I don't know what it is exactly, but we're just gonna view it for, as you can see, this is the timer. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, the ad view completed. So we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna choose the right one here. Tire, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the tire. Okay, and now your view has been recorded. Okay, I'm gonna close that, and then your money is gonna be your coins, sorry, it's gonna be here later on. So this is pretty much how you earn coins, and you got other stuff, you know, playing games, refer users, and stuff like that. Okay, let's say you earned your coins, and then you want to withdraw it or redeem it to Bitcoin so you can withdraw your Bitcoin. You're just gonna go ahead into activity and payments, and then click on withdraw coins. Okay, and here, as you guys can see, we earned that 9 coin. So it popped up right here, so we did not get scammed or something. Here we're just gonna click withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet. You got the Doge wallet, Dash, and Litecoin wallet. Example, we're gonna choose Bitcoin. We're gonna put the email address right here, you know, just put any address, and then click withdraw, and then you're just gonna confirm your password, and then click yes. And this is pretty much how you withdraw your money. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you get something from this video. If you guys have any questions or stuff that you want to ask me, feel free to put that on a comment. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.